Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and in today's video I gonna show you the e-commerce website which I give name as Arun. So this is a sample e-commerce website which is totally working, like you can here log in and log out. So I log in here. I show how to log out, log in. Give your password and now you are logging. So if you want to buy some product, let's select our mobile and tablet section. So here I give some test like iPhone 12. So I add it and it is added on in my cart. So when I go to process to checkout, here's it want some details where it is low. So we put a random number, and when we go to pay, the test mode is open. So it is clearly show just because I give credentials of test. So when I give the live credentials, it is used for real payments. So like here I give successful. So here our order is successfully paid. There are nothing big issues. There are normal SVG's problems, which is not mine. So okay, and when you go to order section, here you can see your product details. This is paid. So in this we are add one more thing, which is cash on delivery. So this is the basically e-commerce website and this is its UI. It is totally responsive for mobile and for desktop. So tell me how tell me how this website is looking, and if you want to purchase this code, you simply go on nodec.xyz. This is our service platform website. You can select here medium projects CO. When you select e-commerce, so you can show here the video, which is I add this video here, and go for continue to book. Put your details there, and when you pay there, we have the notify that your order is coming, and in 9 to 10 hours we are deliver your product. And if you want to bargain something, you can easily talk me with my LinkedIn page. This is my LinkedIn page. If you want to do some solutions, you can also tell me here. So that is for this video. Thank you.